Hey everybody, welcome back to Hey Bartender. I'm Autumn Dorman Rojas, your personal bar back. And no, I am not Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. I'm usually on the other side of the camera, editing, shooting, making sure everything's going well, but I've actually learned a lot from Gustavo over the last 6 or 7 months that we've been doing these. And I thought now that he's back at work and time's a little sensitive, maybe I could get in front of the camera and show you guys what I've learned from him. So today we're gonna do an easy margarita for Christmas. Stick with me. Okay, so Christmas margarita. The fun thing about watching Gustavo do these videos is realizing just how easy it can be to kind of put your own spin on things. My favorite part of it has been watching him make all these simple syrups, because I really didn't even know what a simple syrup was when we started this, even though I've been married to a bartender for 10 years, together for 15. And I decided today that I wanted to do a cranberry simple syrup because I bought these cranberries for Thanksgiving. I didn't use them, and I thought this would be a fun way to incorporate it into a margarita, which I love. So to make the simple syrup, which is here, I basically just boiled, and I took this recipe from Martha Stewart, so I kind of felt like Martha Stewart. I took 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 cups of fresh cranberries from Trader Joe's. And I just boiled those for 10 minutes, let them simmer, let it settle, strained it, and got that, and it's beautiful. So, should we do this thing? Let's do this thing. Okay. Now, I have a feeling we're gonna have to do a lot of editing on this. I am not as smooth as Gustavo. We'll see how this goes. I'm usually better making a cocktail after I've had 2 of his. But what we're gonna start with is ice and your shaker, okay? And I'm gonna add 2 ounces of tequila, blanco. That took a long time. 2 ounces. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of the cranberry simple syrup. And now this is gonna be the real test, because he usually uses the fresh lime juice, which he always recommends to use, but he does it out of a little squirter. I'm gonna try and get fancy and do it straight from here. But 1 ounce of lime that I just squeezed all over myself. I think you have to do it upside down. Is that right? Someone make a comment below and let me know if I'm doing this right. Do another one. Okay, lime. Where's the professional bartender when you need it? All right, gonna and shake. Like I know what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to add ice to my glass. Can you guys see? I don't know. And we are going to strain. Let's move this stuff. He's so good at moving stuff off to the side. I need to do that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, so I got excited and I went ahead and dumped the drink in, but I forgot my sugar rim. So I know margaritas can come usually with a salt rim. I personally don't like salt that much on my margaritas. I ask for it without. Today I'm going to do a sugar rim because I feel like it kind of looks like
snow and it's wintry and Christmassy.
And
who doesn't like sugar, right? So I'm going to rim the glass. Go ahead and... Really? He makes it look so easy. Good job, babe. All right. That looks pretty good. All right. Now I'm gonna strain it in there. Oh, ice. There's a reason you should tip your bartender, people. All right, there we go. All right, now, a little garnish to make it look like a Christmas tree, a little sprig of rosemary, and a few little cranberries. Doop, doop. Let's do 3. And you have to make the sound. Doop. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed my amateur hour here. I'll try and pop in every once in a while and make something that I've been dying to make. I should probably try this just to make sure it's fine. All right, here we go. Oh, the sugar's good. Yeah.